Tell us about yourself.
Hello, my name is Jesse Zanahoria. I am 18 years old. I studied software analysis and development. I am responsible, dedicated, and punctual person.
What motivates you?
My present motivate my day always support my and help my use my studies. I also what to achieve my personal growth and have have a good future.
What are your hobbies?
Um, my hobbies are playing soccer, going to the gym, playing the drums, reading some things, and going to church. Church.
What are your future plans if you get this job?
If I had this job, I want to learn new things and have experience. I also want to save money and achieve my personal goals.
What are your future goals or what are your career goals?
Um, my goal is finish my studies, do my internship, and work in software development. I want to learn uh, every day bacon and war software developer.
What do you see as a major success in your life?
One of my business success I finished high school and starting my technology program. Another success will be finishing my studies and become a professional.
What did you leave your last job?
I left my last job because the Super it was very difficult. It was hard to study and work at the same time. So I decided to focus on my study.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself working in software development. I also see myself I studying at university, living independent and achieve my personal goals.